You are about to embark on an electrifying adventure through the uncharted realms of video creation. Today, we're not just talking about making videos, we're talking about transforming your wildest ideas and dreams into stunning, jaw-dropping videos. This is no ordinary journey. It's an odyssey into a future where the power of cinema, the art of storytelling, and the magic of visual expression are at your fingertips. And here's the best part, it's all absolutely free. In the next few moments, you're going to witness a revolution that will change the way you communicate, captivate, and conquer. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating universe of text to video, where a single click will unleash your inner Spielberg, and all of it comes at the grand cost of nothing? Get ready for the ride of your digital life. Because we're about to make video creation not just accessible but absolutely exhilarating. First, you need to go to the Lucas website, and link is in the description. You will see this page and it's just in beta mode. Click this try it free button and log into the website. Now you can see this page and it will show you 3 videos created by this AI. Now I'm going to make a YouTube video about how AI will make our lives easier, and it will show this. Click generate video and you can see this high engaging video will pop up. Once we click generate button, it will automatically generate script, video and voice. If you want to edit this video, you can do it too from this free tool. You can change the script.
In a world driven by innovation, AI technology is revolutionizing our daily lives. AI algorithms analyze your preferences and behavior to provide personalized recommendations, helping you discover new experiences. AI-powered smart home devices enable seamless automation, allowing you to effortlessly control your home environment. Virtual assistants powered by AI technology provide instant help and information, making your life easier and more efficient.
Video clips and voiceover. You can even change the emotion of this voice. Once you're done, you can download this video from here. Oh, and did I mention the best part? You're not limited to just one mind-blowing video. You can craft up to 15 of these beauties. And if you ever want to kiss that watermark goodbye, there's a nifty online video cutter waiting for you. Here's the icing on the cake. It's all absolutely, unequivocally free. Yes, you heard that right. No subscription fees, no hidden costs, just pure. I know you're excited to embark on your creative journey, and all the links you need are right there in the description. So, go ahead, click, explore, and revolutionize your content creation process. Subscribe.